Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stock feed, full guide. Start by assessing your animals, ingredients, and safety rules to create a base plan. Gather grains, protein sources, minerals, and any supplements you will need for balanced rations. Measure and record each ingredient weight to maintain consistency. Keep a simple log for batches and monitor animal health to adjust formulas as needed for best results. Formulation starts with targets for energy, protein, and key minerals based on animal age and purpose. Use ingredient-nutrient tables and simple math to combine grains, meals, and supplements into a balanced ration. Test small batches and observe intake and condition over several weeks. Adjust percentages gradually to avoid digestive upset, and always record recipes so you can reproduce successful mixes or troubleshoot problems. Processing and safety preserve feed quality and animal health, so mill or crush ingredients to suit species and life stage. Mix thoroughly to avoid hotspots of supplements, and consider pelleting or conditioning if practical. Keep storage clean, dry, and sealed to prevent rodents and moisture, and rotate stock using first in, first out. Regularly inspect for mold, off odors, or pests, and discard any suspect batches immediately to protect livestock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.